Hello friends, in the last lecture we have studied general cell structure of a bacteria. Today we are going to learning the types of bacteria. Bacteria can be distinguished and differentiated on the basis of certain criteria. On the basis of shape, the bacteria can be divided into the types like round shaped bacteria, rod shaped bacteria, comma shaped, and spiral bacteria. On the basis of cell wall composition, there are two types of bacteria, gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. On the basis of the respiration means the requirement of gaseous by the bacteria divided into two categories, anaerobic bacteria and aerobic bacteria. On the basis of the nutritional pattern, whether the bacteria synthesize their own food material or the bacteria is depending upon the other organism for their food material. So on this basis, the bacteria divided into two types that are the autotrophic bacteria which synthesize their own food material while the heterotrophic bacteria are depending on other organism for their food material. So on the basis of the shapes of the bacteria divided into the spherical, that is called as round, rod, comma like types. So see here the types of bacteria. So the coccus, these are the spherical bacteria. They are arranged in the pairs. If the two coccus adhere with each other, they are called as diplococcus. If three, they are called as triplococcus. If four, called as tetracoccus. If a chain of coccus round shaped bacteria are there, they are called as streptococcus bacteria. And if a group is there, then that are called as a staphylococcus. So coccus, they are the round shaped, whereas some are the rod shaped bacteria. They are called as bacillus bacteria. So bacillus bacteria are also in a condition like two bacilli adhered with each other called as diplobacillus. If the bacillus bacteria forming a chain, then they are called as sorry, streptobacillus. If a bunch of bacillus bacteria is there, they are called as a staphylococcus. So you are finding here the round shaped, they are called as a coccus, and the rod shaped, they are called as a bacillus type of a bacteria. Now some comma shaped bacteria are also there that are called as vibrio. They are called vibrio. So see here, these are the vibrio. The spiral shaped bacteria called as a spirulium and spirochetes are also type of bacteria. So on the basis of shape, the bacteria is divided into rod shaped, also sorry, they are called as round shaped, also called as a spherical, rod shaped called as bacillus, comma shaped called as a vibrio, and spiral shaped called as a spirulium. So these are the type of bacteria on the basis of shape. Now switch to the next criteria on the basis of cell wall composition that we had studied. On the basis of cell wall composition, the bacteria divided into two types, that is gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. So scientist Lansenko classified the bacteria on the basis of cell wall composition with the help of gram staining technique. So the bacteria who stain with the gram staining called as a positive bacteria, gram positive bacteria, while who do not stain are called as gram negative bacteria. So the gram positive bacteria cell wall made up of the peptidoglycan layer, while the gram negative bacteria the cell wall is made up of a lipopolysaccharide and a phospholipid. The peptidoglycan is very less in the gram negative bacteria. Now, on the basis of a gases requirement, means on the basis of a respiration condition, the bacteria is divided into aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria that can grow and live when oxygen is present. So oxygen requirement is very important, and anaerobic bacteria can grow in absence of oxygen. For example, Pseudomonas, then disulfiromonas. So these are the examples. So next criteria is on the basis of a nutritional pattern. The bacteria are divided into two types: autotrophic bacteria and a heterotrophic bacteria. So autotrophic bacteria can synthesize their own food material because they possesses the photosynthetic pigments, while heterotrophic bacteria depends on other organism for their food material, and that's why they are called as a heterotrophic organism. Thank you very much.